So I'm starting with wiping down my baseboards, and for this what I'm using is normal hot water. I'll be first wiping these down, and then I'll leave the fan on for some time for them to quickly dry. Once they are dry, then I'll just lay on the sheet and we'll follow the rest. Once these walls are clean, I'm going to scrub them. But before I actually scrub, I'm going to take the faceplate out just to make sure the paint doesn't stick here. I've got some time and I'm not doing it professionally, so I just want to make sure it looks as clean as possible. Got this drywall sandpaper, which is like 220 grit, so it should be good. Let me try. There are like 5 of them, so it should be good. And if needed, I'll bring some more. Let me put it through and then give it a test. This is how it looks. Once it's set, this is how. As you can see, I did not get the mask. I'm using surgical mask that I had in abundance, and I just scraped off paint. And now the next thing is to make sure these baseboards are all good. So I got this 180 grit sandpaper for those nice tight corners. I'm going to mop these walls with, again, so as I can see, it's all dried up. So I'm gonna start with my brush